We're going to use the Church Center app as our primary way of communicating to you, and you can even talk back to us through the chat option in the Church Center app. So this video is going to show you how to download it and install it. So you're going to search for it in the App Store. Go into the search bar and search for Church Center app, and there it is. Log it in, download it, and then open it up. And so for the first time that you open it up, it's going to say get started. You are going to use your location. And when you do that, you can either, type in Ransom Church, or it'll find it. And then you do, yes, this is my church. Once you're in, you're going to tap on the icon, Church Center app. You'll have to log in with Face ID, a little security for you. Once that happens, then you're going to click on the bell icon to get set up. And then there's a gear icon, click on that, and you'll see groups. Then you should be invited to, and you'll see the KidsCamp Parents Guardians. Click on that to turn everything on. Make sure all three of those, new, event, and attendance, are open. Then go to messages, click that arrow, make sure all of those are on. That way you receive everything and can communicate back to us. Then you're going to click on those little three buttons, more. Click on the groups, and then whatever group you're in, so it should populate Kids Camp Parents. Click onto that. At this point, there's no new messages. However, you'll see up at the top, you can have other options. Click on the new message if you want to communicate back to us. We'll give it a title. Welcome to, or you can say, hey Paul, how's my kid doing? Click on, so you got to give it a title. Then type in your message. And if it's a private message, that little allow replies, other people can't comment. And then hit send. Once you're done, it'll send it, and I'll get instant notification. Everybody else will get notifications. Click on those three buttons up there. It gives you just a few more. If you're like, oh, I want to change what I said, reword it, check a spelling, you can do that as well. Now, some other features, you'll see that now there's a notification. You click into there, and it'll be one of these four up there: messages, events, resources, members. You can click on the message, because you just saw me type that. Then I sent out a resource. So this might be a picture. This might be a, hey, check this out. Click on that and it'll kind of tell you what it is. View the resource, and boom, it opens up. And see, in this case, it is a screenshot. So like a picture of your kids at camp, or just some helpful information.